Let's dive into the ultimate cook-off between SpongeBob and a French chef to see who can whip up the best Krabby Patty. Hey there, foodies! Today, we're settling the age-old debate. Who do you think makes the tastiest Krabby Patty, SpongeBob or a French chef? Welcome to the Krusty Krab, home of the iconic Krabby Patty. The stage is set for a culinary showdown between our favorite undersea fry cook and a renowned French chef. SpongeBob brings his whimsical flair to the kitchen, while the French chef relies on classic techniques and gourmet ingredients. It's a tough call to determine who truly reigns supreme in the world of patty perfection. Let's take a closer look at SpongeBob's unconventional cooking methods versus the French chef's traditional approach. From jellyfishing nets to gourmet spices, each contender brings their unique touch to the Krabby Patty recipe. The moment of truth has arrived. A panel of judges embarks on a blind taste test to sample the Krabby Patties. The results are in, and the verdict may surprise you. After a fierce battle in the kitchen, it's time to weigh the strengths and weaknesses of both cooks. Who will be crowned the ultimate Krabby Patty maker? Stay tuned to find out. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your pick for the best Krabby Patty chef. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting food debates and culinary showdowns. Thanks for watching.